guys, welcome to my channel. I'm about to show you guys how I achieved this look right here, this swoop bang with the flip bob. So alright, here's my cousin Agnes. She came to me with the hair already braided. So right here I'm just spraying her edges with freeze spray just to get her baby hairs out the way, and I'm setting this with a blow dryer on cool. Right here, I'm just putting her cap on her head, and then you're about to see me go ahead and clean her scalp. I use 50% alcohol. I would suggest getting the highest percentage alcohol that you can get. Shit, the higher it is, the more your leg's gonna last. And this right here is her foundation. I always ask my clients to bring their own foundation just so I can make sure that, you know, whatever I use is going to fit their head. Well, not their head. It's going to fit their complexion exactly. So, yeah, I put that foundation on the cap. And I also put it underneath the frontal. And then I sprayed it with freeze spray. And I blow dried it dry. So, that's what you just saw me doing right there. As you can see, this hairline is kind of crooked. Like I just gotta shift the wig to the left a little bit. But yeah, I ended up doing that right here. So I'm just sizing this frontal to her head, and you know, once I figure out where exactly I want the lace to lay, I just go ahead and ask her to hold that side for me. And you're about to see me go ahead and cut off the ear tabs. With her holding it down like this, and you know, the frontal being shaped on her head the way it's going to be glued down, it's so much easier to just go ahead and part the ear tabs and just cut them out. As you can see, I was about to clean her hairline again, but I noticed that a lot of her sideburns had came out of the cap, so I went ahead and used, I'm pretty sure this is She Is Bomb Collection. I used their edge control to go ahead and sleek her sideburns back, and I don't know if y'all can see it, but shit, this edge control got her sideburns real sleek and real flat. Yeah, alright, so here's me cleaning her hairline again. Usually, I can't even tell how many times I clean a person's hairline when I'm doing their hair, but it's like I do whenever I see fit. But yeah, so I'm just going in with the first layer of bold hold by the hair diagram. As you can see, I'm spraying this out with the end of my rat tail comb, waiting for it to get dry. Now we're on to the second layer. Altogether, I'm pretty sure I did 4 layers for this hair. She said she wanted to keep this wig on for about 2 weeks. So yeah. As you can see, some areas are still white when I put this wig down, but what I'm about to do after this step is going to fix all of this. And right now, I'm just going in with my blow dryer on, I'm pretty sure it's on hot, well, on heat. I alternate in between because my blow dryer gets real hot and I don't want to burn people. So, yeah, I alternate in between it being hot and cool. Just look how the side of her hair is just melted. Like, I know y'all seen that. That shit was melted. And right here, I'm just cutting her lace into parts. I'm about to go back into the lace and get any parts that did not lay down all the way, any parts that missed glue. Alright, so this elastic band right here is what fixes, the glue looking white. Like, this just melts everything in completely. You need this elastic band. You don't need it, but like, this shit will take your installs up to a next level. The clip got deleted where I took the elastic band out, but after this, after you see me, hot combing the hair back and whatnot, like, I literally only had this elastic band on the head for about 5 minutes max, maybe. So yeah, you're gonna see what this ended up looking like once I took this off. But yeah, so the footage of me cutting off her lace actually got deleted as well, but y'all, look at how this melted into her scalp. This shit melted everything into her scalp, y'all. I'm telling you, use that elastic band. But alright, so since she wants that swoop bang, I'm about to just go in with my hot comb and just make sure everything is flat. Oh, and I also wanted to say I got that elastic band method. I'm pretty sure I got that from SLAYED by Jordan. Hold on, I want y'all to see something real quick. Y'all see her hairline? Did you guys see her hairline? This is before baby hairs, before anything of that nature. Y'all, that elastic band, get you an elastic band. Alright, I'm about to start molding the hair. And that bottle is Nairobi. Even though it's a lot of body bottle, it's Nairobi in there. So yeah, this is what I use to mold her hair and just, to get it in that style that I wanted. Oh yeah, and I parted out the sections that were gonna be her baby hairs before I went ahead and started molding her hair. I'm just wrapping her hair with these black foam wraps just to secure everything and just to let it dry. And I'm about to start the styling process of her hair. So I went ahead and flat ironed it just so I can get like the true length of the hair because I knew I was gonna cut it. And alright, this is when I went ahead and started, doing the flip bob. I did one little section first just to make sure, what I was doing in my head was what was gonna execute. But yeah, so that first little section came out nice. So I pretty much did the same thing around the whole head. Like I just flipped the flat iron when I got to the end. It's pretty easy. Just have your flat iron on a high setting and whatnot, and just go through the hair. Just giving you a little one. Nah, what is it? 360. I don't know. Just giving you a little spin of what the hair is looking like. And alright, I'm about to take down these wrap strips, and y'all go see the meltage. Look at that, slayed. Everything slayed, nice and flat, neat, lovely. And okay, she said she wanted some light baby hairs, so I went ahead and plucked that side where the baby hair is gonna be. Again, I'm here with my eyebrow razor, trimming up the hair. And again, that's Nairobi in that bottle. So that's Nairobi that I'm using to mold her baby hairs. What I like to do, what I like to do now is I like to use, I guess, like light foam, and then what I'll do is I'll follow up with freeze spray. You're about to see me do that in a second, I think. Yeah, you'll see me do it when it comes up. But yeah, I like to follow up with freeze spray just so everything, dries exactly the way that I want it to dry. I just started doing this method, like with the following up with the freeze spray, because sometimes you put the Nairobi on, you'll put the foaming lotion on the hair, you'll wrap it up, dry it, and the hairs will be all type of which ways, dry all type of which ways. But this way, everything literally dries the way that you set it. And plus, it's less drying time because with this, you're about to see all of this. I don't know why I'm saying this now, but once I spray with the freeze spray, all you gotta do is blow dry it. You dry it with the blow dryer and everything sets. This shit takes less than 5 minutes. But yeah, here I go with this freeze spray. As I said, I'm just spraying it over. I didn't like how that baby hair was looking. Like, I didn't like how that little swoop was looking. So I sprayed it and then I went back in with the Nairobi and I went ahead and fixed it. But yeah, so this is just me drying it literally right after I sprayed it. But yeah, look how good that lace looks. Like, y'all, look how good her lace looks. Look how good the baby hairs look. They not going nowhere. I know people like the natural baby hairs. They like the little fluffy baby hairs. But I like my baby hairs not going nowhere. Like, a lot of my clients, that's one thing that they have issues with, recreating the baby hairs. If you do this, your baby hairs will stay like this for, okay, well, you can't get them wet. But, at least 3 days, your baby hairs will stay like this. And I'm blow drying this on cool. I find that when you blow dry freeze spray on the hot settings, that's why the shit turns white. So yeah, I blow dry my freeze spray on cool. And I'm just plucking. I like to pluck any hairs that aren't in line with the baby hairs and whatnot. Oh, she giving y'all close-ups. Y'all look at the hairline. Y'all can't tell me this not coming out her scalp. So yeah, I'm just going back in and just making sure, everything is the same length. Since I cut the hair when the wrap was on it, the front of the hair didn't get, some of the front of the hair didn't get cut. So yeah, that's just what I'm doing. I'm just going back in, making sure everything's even. And I just went ahead and put some Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine oil on her hair just to give it some shine. Again, y'all, get into this lace. I'm pretty sure this was transparent lace. If I'm not mistaken, I'm pretty sure this is transparent lace. I'm just going back in with the flat iron, just retouching up the end. But I'm pretty much done at this point. So yeah, I'm just refixing things. So this is the end result of how this look came out. As you can see, I went ahead and put one of those cute little clips in her hair. But yeah, this is it. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.
Slayed by Kimby Wigs.